Hi there. X input games strictly demand an official console controller, locking out standard D input gamepads. Today, we are force injecting the optimized X360CE emulator into your system loop for zero cost. Let's bypass the restriction. Go to the description notes and pull the core X360C distribution package directly from our website. Booting this initial script immediately aligns your pathways and drops the essential input libraries into place. Open the X360C software interface from your directory to see the live mapping matrix. Let the engine scan your hardware to ensure every axis and trigger registers instantly. Your advanced X360CE emulation station is calibrated and ready to crush any game. Head over to our website right now to claim your installation package and start playing like a boss.